in the last section we have expand. So we're talking more about, web going mobile, mobile going more mobile, bricks and mortar going mobile for the first time. It's expanding in all sorts of different directions. Is there anything that's particularly high on your radar as being the opportunity or the one to watch?
For me, it's the long tail of the real world is on the mobile. So basically, as I always say, you come into a shop, you see this black or white coffee pot, and you want a red one. Well, you should be able to buy it with your mobile, even if it's not in the store, and it should get delivered to your home. And the thing is that suddenly, just touching the package, you can interact with NFC with your device, and a whole new world is coming alive, and you get a lot of you can get information on the product that is definitely not in the shop. You can order different color, different size, different whatever, and I think it opens up a whole new way for retailers, but also for manufacturers or brands to bring products to the shop. It's a whole new environment. I think that people need to touch. One of the issues of the internet is that you don't touch, and suddenly the mobile allows you to touch and buy.
But it also goes beyond that to all sorts of life experiences. Maybe you just want to elaborate on the morphing of these worlds and what you think the impact is on our lifestyles.
As Netsize, we enable storefronts. So enabling retailers to show their product on the device and deploy more information. We enable the payment so that you can also charge the consumer directly on the device. And we enable the CRM with marketing tools that are extremely powerful and that enable this one-to-one marketing communication between consumer and brands.
And I'm speaking with Charles Tronier, Head of Business Development at 118218. So it's all about directory services. Charles, give me the high-level view of your company.
Basically, for any end user, you call 118218 from a landline or from a mobile phone, and you get one of our agents in our call center, and we provide you the information about what you are looking for in terms of a residential listing. You're looking for someone, you're looking for a restaurant in Paris, you're looking for a hotel in Bordeaux, and so you just call 118218 and you get all type of information.
That fits in with the Netsize guide because that's one of the the themes in the guide. This is about expand, this is about web going mobile, mobile going web. So you've expanded from web to mobile. Do you see that you have to offer a different experience on mobile than online?
Yes, definitely. We have also a website, 118218.fr, and typically when you make a search online, you can after get the information through SMS to your mobile. So, and thanks to Netsize, we are able to provide this feature. So basically you can receive the address on your mobile and then go to the place and be sure you get the good address.
And going forward, do you have any ideas about value add on top of that? Because there's a lot of information that you're giving. You're also collecting a lot of information, a lot of numbers crunching going on there. You could particularly go to a type of search that's perhaps more personal or a little bit more value added. What are you thinking in that direction?
Absolutely. You're pointing out great ideas we are working on. Basically, one of the things is obviously having a map, so because you may get lost in the neighborhood of your hotel or restaurant, and so you may need a map. But also, we are definitely considering our customers, our value-added customers, and maybe provide them more customized services. So we are thinking about this type of service, and also some premium services such as being able to order a taxi. So we provide this service for our customers to make sure that they can get a cab, which is not always that easy when you are in Paris on a Saturday night.
What's 2009 a remarkable year for?
I think one of the main trends in the industry is web developers beginning to be interested in the mobile space and beginning to expand in the mobile platform. And there are a rising number of let's say new merchandising models that are emerging with the OV store that's been announced, with the App Store, but also with operator stores as well. So they'll have an opportunity to go directly to consumers. So that's definitely a growing trend in the industry moving forward. I think there is a mix of trends here, and there are lots of online players, platform players, the likes of Amazon, of eBay, of companies having a community of developers that are really, I think, interesting because they have strong brands, and that's what consumers are looking for. And so I think that's definitely one of the key trends. Lots of web players going mobile, and obviously they have to create made-for-mobile content, and it's still the early days, and a virtual cycle needs to be in place with all-you-can-eat data plans that will stimulate usage, and this is going to take some time, but it's beginning to happen.
It's making it, helping people, enter that amazing world that is around us.
Well, we described a pretty amazing world in the book.
Yes.
So that was the Netsize Guide 2009. We don't yet have to start work on 2010. We can start thinking about it. So what do you think the themes are going to be next time around? I mean, how do we top this one, Stan?
It's tough, Peggy. It's tough. You need such an amazing world. It's I think elaborating on personalizing your world. It's really all this experience and showing how enterprises, brands, and retailers have to go that direction. We need to go there. Now we need to keep some surprises,
Okay.
for the readers.
Well, I'm looking forward to it, to the collaboration. Thank you, Stan.
Thank you, Peggy.
For Netsize, I'm Peggy Ann Saltz.